Basslam fam, it's Abstrakt Sonance back again. We're working on our mid basses for our drop. There's obviously infinite ways to go about this. Two good concepts of how to write your bass line is one is kind of a continuous sound with rhythms and it changes. It can be simple or complex rhythms. And then the other is call response. And that's where you have a few different elements of the bass calling and responding to each other. So we're going to start off, and I'll just give you an example of just kind of a continuous bass line. I'm going to go and make a square wobble here. Oops. So there's an example of just a long running one. So that's just using operator. It's so simple and effective. A lot of these old school dubstep sounds are just the simple waves: saw, square, and sine. And then, of course, using your effects and your distortion, that's when you can start getting quite creative with things. You can do it. So when I'm writing my mid bass lines, I like to always have a sine wave going under. So even as you're doing your sound design and you're like, oh, I'm kind of missing that thickness that I'm looking for, you can always just add a sine wave under with it. So we're going to add another element here, and just kind of like another wobble that goes with it, but maybe atmosphered in the background. Let's go with a saw this time. Go and pull all the low end off of that.